All right, we're going to be working on a 2013 Edge. Customer states it's not blowing any heat out of the vents, and she drives for a while and still no heat, or maybe not hot enough. So yeah, let's take a look at it here, see what's going on. We'll pull some codes on it first and go from there. Ooh, smashed my pinkies. Let's open that window. She's warm. So immediately know that the fan is working, so I don't think it's going to be a blower issue. All right, let's check some codes here, if there is any codes. Oops. Uh, 8-inch screen, no. Let's just do an auto scan. Holy crap, look at all the modules. I see the HVAC has one code in there. Kind of wondering if we got a, bet you it's a blend door actuator or something going on there. Be my guess. Left HVAC damper position sensor. I'm gonna guess that's our issue. First thing I'm going to do is take this for a little drive, make sure we got a warm engine here, and then we'll try and get in here and see if we can do some functional tests and kind of go from there. Whoa! Watch out for the bikers. Here we is. Alright, so let's see if we can get into that heating and air conditioning here. See what we're looking at. That's going to be the left hand blend door actuator. Let's see what this says. Left blend door position 100%. So there is no right hand door position because this doesn't have dual climate control, so it's only reading off this one, which I'm moving from cold to hot, and you can see the percentage is increasing. So the feedback is showing that moving. That's cold. It's about halfway between, and that's all the way to hot. So all my mode doors work just fine. blower's working just fine. So what we need to do is put my eyes on this actuator here and see exactly what's going on with it. So I'm going to grab a few tools, and it's going to be pulling the some trim pieces off here and getting at that actuator. All right, so I'll take you in here and show you, try and show you this mechanism, this actuator. You should be able to see it right there. So I got to playing with it here, and it actually started moving. But what happened is, I think there's something wrong with the actuator itself, because it would just move ever so slightly, and I could hear like the motor actually running, or the actuator running, and none of the linkage would move. So that would explain why we got a position that corresponds correctly. See, now it's not doing it. It actually changes back and forth now. So it's just a matter of me kind of screwing around with it. I was reaching up there trying to check and see if the linkage was all tight, make sure nothing was, you know, like the linkage was broke or anything like that. But yeah, I think something is going on with this actuator. I actually had it off already, and kind of just checked everything out there. I didn't hear any snapping or popping, like, you know, what would happen with a gear broke inside there. It's just kind of weird. I think we're going to replace it and see what happens after that. But yeah, I think it'll be good. The actuator actually comes with new linkage and everything too, so we'll get that swapped out and see what happens. All right, so as you can tell, you got the new actuator in there, some new linkage in there. Okay, let's see if we can get in here. I'm sure there's a calibration, probably. Just checking to see if it matches there. Let's erase this code. It might be, I can hear it maybe doing a calibration already, so you can see that it actuated the actuator. So it must be doing its own calibration. So let's erase this code. Alright, so no codes detected. Start it up here. Alright, let's check and see what this actuator does now. Let me get my fat head in here. Okay, so that's full hot, and it feels very hot. I got the mode on floor and it's blowing right on my head, so, and this is cold, which feels cold. Okay, so everything seems like it's working like it should. that should be it. So thanks again for watching, guys. I wish I had the camera on it when it was acting up. It was real glitchy, and I thought I had the camera on, but it was off. I was turning it to hot, and you could definitely tell that it wasn't moving the linkage. So yeah, unfortunately I didn't get that on camera. But yeah, it's fixed, it's working. So there you go, another one done. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one.